What's up all you guitar players? Welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Before I break down this exercise, let me go ahead and review it for those of you who didn't see it on TikTok. This exercise is really all about the pull-offs, but we do incorporate some slides as well. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We're starting on the high E string with a pull-off from 12 to 11 and then 11 to 9 all in one hit. We then finish that string off with 11 and 9. Then we actually hit the same pattern on the B string, except we're going 12, 10, 9. Take another listen to confirm that it's the same pattern. Same pattern, just different notes. Then we're actually sticking with the pattern, but now we're going with a slide. Starting on 11, in one hit, we're gonna slide up to 13, back down to 11, pull off to 9, and then we're gonna finish with 11, 9, 9. The run itself here is pretty simple, but incorporating the pull-offs and the slides ups the difficulty. So really take your time to try and execute this at a high level for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then move on to all the other songs and solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.